Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a fishing hook. Before we begin, it's important to gather all your necessary equipment. You'll need a fishing hook, some fishing line, and your chosen bait. Selecting the right hook size is crucial. A smaller hook, like a size 10, is good for panfish, while a larger hook, such as a 2/0, suits bigger game. Make sure your line strength, perhaps 8-pound test, matches your target fish. Now, let's tie a strong knot to secure your hook. A Palomar knot is an excellent choice for its reliability. Start by threading about 6 inches of line through the hook's eye, then back through, forming a loop. Next, tie a simple overhand knot with the double line, ensuring the hook hangs freely. Finally, pass the hook through the large loop you've created and pull both ends of the line tightly to cinch the knot down securely. With your hook securely tied, it's time to add your bait. The type of bait you use will depend on what you're fishing for. For example, a small worm works well for trout, while a larger minnow might attract bass. Carefully thread your chosen bait onto the hook, making sure the barb is fully covered. This helps to conceal the hook and ensures a better hook set. Position the bait so it looks natural and stays firmly in place. Before you cast, take a moment for a final inspection. Give your line a gentle tug to confirm the knot is tight and the bait is firmly attached. Look over your fishing line for any nicks or tangles that could weaken it. When you're ready, hold your rod with both hands and cast smoothly, aiming for a promising spot in the water. A good cast can send your bait 20 to 30 feet, increasing your chances of a successful catch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.